Today is a culmination of about 10 weeks of work for the students. They started with a bare frame, built these carts that you can see behind me, and now today is test day. We had a track built for them, so they had to come out and see how the brakes work, see how the steering works, look at clearance, balance. There's a lot of technical things that they had to do to this cart that they got to look at today. This is a collaborative effort today between Trident Tech, Berkeley County School Districts, and Berkeley County Economic Development. Those things are flying. Today was a very successful day, I think, and they were really excited that all their hard work paid off.